Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Sunday reset, just prepping for the week and getting ourselves together, honey, because in this season of my life, I want to practice more about being intentional with how I show up in every space, and that starts with a good reset every week. So first, I started off by washing my hands, and now I'm about to clean my makeup brushes because one of the tips and keys to a great and flawless makeup application is making sure that your utensils are washed. So I do use bar soap. This is an antibacterial um, bar soap that I use, and I just find that using the bar soap to clean your makeup brushes works way better than a lot of other makeup products used for this thing, are used for washing. I also use Dawn soap, Dawn dish soap. I just didn't have any left at this moment. So the key to also with me washing my hands before starting this application is the fact that I also use my hands as just like a second means of getting really through the bristles and getting all that built up makeup out. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Do I sit up and wash my makeup brushes every day? No. But if I've been using my makeup brushes for a good week, then on Sunday it's about that time to wash them. So these are the brushes that I use every day. I always use about 2 to 3 actual tools for my face, maybe 2 to 3 for my eyes. I love a good eyeshadow look. Um, one for my brows and anything in between. So, yeah. Generally, my day to day looks like waking up and taking care of my daughter, making sure that my family is fed, maybe fixing breakfast or something like that, or going to work. When I'm not at work, I'm taking care of my daughter and taking care of my family. But when I do go to work, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I don't wear makeup to work every day. I don't wear makeup in my everyday life, period, because hello, natural beauty. But when I do wear makeup and it's on the go, or when I have to be fast, I just like to do a quick natural look, so it helps to have all of my everyday use brushes on hand and clean for when I do decide to just do a quick beat, because sometimes you just want to do that. And again, like I'm stepping into this era, especially after having my daughter, I just feel like I've always been a classy woman, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like I need to pour into myself and show up as who I am in my mind, which is a classy woman, okay? A woman that when you see her, her essence, her just being in your presence speaks volumes without her even having to say a word. So that's what we are, honey. So I'm just if you want to be on this journey with me, y'all, let's hold each other accountable and let's step into that feminine energy. Let's step into that luxurious woman that we see ourselves or envision ourselves in our mind. Let's fake it till we make it. The more you practice, one day you'll look up and you'll be her. Now, next, I was showing y'all my nails because I was going to do this cool transition into some done nails, but it didn't really quite work out like that. So, yeah. Now I'm taking this old wig that my man got me many, many moons ago. It was actually a Valentine's Day gift, I think back in 2022. So since then, my girl has been through some things. She originally started as like a 14-inch, and then I cut her into a bob, but I tried to cut it while it was on my head, so that bob was not bobbing. So now I have her just on my mannequin head, and I'm going to give her a good clean trim, making sure she's even all the way around. Fun fact, I actually did end up wearing this wig to work, and one of my students said that I looked glamorous, and that was, baby, that was all I needed. So we're just going around and making sure that this is a nice clean cut. And listen, babe, I'm not a professional, so I know I'm using regular scissors, and I don't care. It definitely got the job done. So hey, use what you have and make it work. I'm a big advocate for that. Now, let's get into a few qualities of a luxurious woman, because I hope that we all understand that luxury is not accredited to how much money you have in your bank account. It's accredited to how you carry yourself, um, and how you show up in different spaces, right?
Just continue cutting all the way around to make it even, because as you can see it's very uneven and I just want a blunt cut. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna come back when I got more of it cut. Looks like it might be good though. Bobby Yana, I was home with my kids, Mommy Yana. But for real. So this is what she's giving so far. Next step is to we let it air dry. That's what took us so long from the first snippet. We let it air dry. Now she's ready to have a hot comb go through to press her out, and then we're gonna curl her with the straightening tool, because I can't think of the real name of what we call them right now. Straightener, whatever it's called. And then I'm gonna use these on it to give it a little plump. So here's all the hair I actually end up cutting off or whatever, which I know people probably like, she ain't cut that much. Yeah, I cut actually a whole bunch.
Okay, y'all. And also, don't mind my daughter in the background of the video. I just decided that I was going to do a voiceover for this video but still keep the audio from the original video running in the background. And I did not realize that that girl was going crazy like this, as she always is. But I also want to say, see, that's another reason why I want to lay into my soft girl era, the feminine lifestyle, luxurious lifestyle, because obviously I I'm like out of it maybe 99% of the time. The toll, mental toll, and just the way that your brain changes after pregnancy and childbirth definitely needs to be studied. Like, if you could see a sign or a symbol on my head that showcases how I'm doing, it would definitely be the loading symbol, because I'm always loading. Like, what was I about to say, or what was I about to do, or yeah, it's bad, but yeah, it needs to be studied. But anyways, um, I feel like another thing that accredits to luxury for women is keeping your nails and your toes done, which I will quickly do my own stuff at home. So that doesn't mean going and spending $100 something in the salon for upkeep or anything like that. You can do this at home and still maintain um, a good sense of standard about yourself. Just like you can do your hair at home without spending hundreds and thousands of dollars, like I'm doing right now. I would definitely say, if you're a natural girly like me that doesn't like doing their hair all the time, I would definitely invest in wigs. You might spend $100 and something. Well, if it's a quality wig, you're definitely going to spend upwards of hundreds of dollars on the wig for a quality wig, but you get to wear these wigs for so long, y'all. I have a lot of wigs in my collection that I've had for years, so I'm definitely getting every piece of my dollar's worth, okay? And it's easy for me to slap on. I just braid my hair down, put it on my mannequin head to, style it or whatever, and then I just plop it on and we're ready to go. So I would definitely recommend investing in yourself first and getting you some wigs. So to style my wig today, I will be using my Chi flat irons. I have two different sizes in this flat iron. I have a smaller one that is used for things like bobs, shorter hair. It's easy to grab the shorter pieces. So that's what I will be using at the back. And once I get to the top, I will switch to my larger size chi iron, which is a standard size flat iron. So in the back, I'm just bumping the hair, not trying to do any crazy curls or anything like that. And once I get to the top, that is when I will start doing the spiral curls to give. Because I'm going for like this big, luscious, bouncy bob look, low key like your aunties or your people used to wear back in the 90s type vibe. That is what I'm trying to give with this um, look. I don't really like flat hair. So here now you can see what I'm talking about a little bit. I bumped the back and then put actual curls in the top. And now you can kind of see the hair coming together as well. And I don't know about y'all, but I would much rather style my hair while it's on the mannequin head. It was very therapeutic, a good, easy, relaxing Sunday, and it actually didn't take me long to do this. I was able to see every piece of hair. I was able to maneuver it just how I wanted. It was a time. So I would, y'all, I'm telling you, invest in some wigs and take care of your wigs. Before I started styling this wig, I did wash it, and like I told you, I let it air dry. Just showing love to your wigs, and that's the key to maintaining it. Another way that you can show up and look luxurious in any space that you occupy. I'm so sorry, y'all. Y'all know at this point I be saying words are hard, but it just seemed like I can't talk. That's another way to keep up with being luxurious. Learn how to speak properly. But anyways, y'all picking up what I'm putting down. But another way to step into your luxurious mindset, your luxurious womanhood, is your wardrobe. So, as y'all know, I recently had a baby. At this point, I am a good 7 months postpartum. By the time you see this video, I will be 8 months postpartum. And the postpartum body is bodying, y'all. I wasn't no skinny girl before having the baby, but now I am dealing with learning to love my body again. I did have a cesarean, so there's extra things that come with that as well. But I thought I owed it to myself to have a little mommy makeover. So I went on Shein and shopped down, honey, and just filled me a cart with no more than maybe $200 worth of clothing to add to my closet, and just so I can feel better and feel confident when I step out. That is the key to just owning it and having confidence when you come out, is when knowing you look good. Have you ever heard the saying, when you look good, you do good? That is so true, y'all. It's so true. So I will also be doing a Shein haul in the next few videos to show y'all what I got and just to show y'all what I mean about that luxury. I didn't just get any type of pieces. I got pieces that I feel like I specially curated that go with the vibes that I'm on, with this classiness but also serving sexy. Like, it's giving that girl. Like, we are just the mindset. We are shifting our mindsets in 2025. I'm about to be 30 next year. So I feel like this whole year of 28 should be me moving in that mindset of knowing I want to step into 30 feeling like something, okay? So now that I have the curls done, I'm just spraying them with a little bit of got to be glued blasting freeze spray. Now I'm just picking up the front of my hair and I'm going to lay it down again, spray it again, and then lay it down with I cannot think of the name of this tool, but you're going to see it. I'm going to use it to flatten out the top of that hair. Because, with wigs, you definitely have to flatten out the top. Um, I have these curlers that I'm placing in. These are the curling tools that you don't need to put in with a, y'all, I'm so sorry. With a, what is it called, Bree? You don't need to use a pen or anything. You can just roll it up, and how it's made, it's going to stay to the hair. So that's what I did. I rolled them up, and I was allowed or able to leave these in overnight, which allowed the curls to be even more bouncy when I actually wore the wig. And it just, girl, everything about this just gave luxurious. It gave girly girl. It gave self-care moments. And when you use um curlers like this, or curlers period, your curls are bouncier and they last longer than just using a curling iron and going. So again, 10 out of 10 recommend, okay? But I'm gonna stop talking and I am gonna finish out this hair. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. Let's start a dialogue in the comments. Tell me, what do you do that makes you feel luxurious? What are you doing to step into your luxury mindset? Or if you feel like you don't even want to step into that, maybe you're like, girl, I'm just out here living. The world is crazy. I'm just out here. Let's talk, women. What are we doing out here? How are you progressing in 2025? Maybe someone watching this video could see your comment and get inspired, because we need to have a community of women that help each other out. Y'all, trust me. I'm on here talking about the luxurious mindset and trying to step into finer womanhood, but let me tell you, your girl has been on the struggle bus. I'm always very open and transparent about my journey here on earth, my during my lifespan, and your girl has been struggling as a first time mom, in my new capacity as a wife, just trying to uh, cultivate this new being that I just have stepped into. So, yeah, I would love to know your thoughts below. And as always, I'm very grateful for everyone who supports me and watches my videos. So, I love you all. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and let's finish up this hair. And thank you for tuning in to a successful Self Care Sunday. Love y'all.